Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very soft, fluidy necklaces, bracelets, or ankle bracelets. So let's get started. I'm going to use some 20 gauge wire and some needle nose pliers. And today I'm going to use some pearls. But you could use any colors or any types of beads that you like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tiny loop on one end of my wire with my needle nose pliers. And if you always bring the wire right up against a mark, then all your loops will be the same size. So all you do to make a loop is twirl, like that. Then place the needle nose pliers back into the loop and straighten it out. And then you can tighten it up if it has gotten loose. And now pass on your bead. And then you'll have to cut your wire approximately a ½ an inch long. Usually I go by the length of my finger. So remove that and then make another loop at this end. I'm positioning my wire at the same spot. And straighten it out, and then tighten up the loop. So there's your first component made. Now you're going to make another one. So form a loop, center it, like that. Pass on a bead. Cut the wire approximately the width of my finger, and I'm going to form a loop. But before I close it up, I'm going to attach the first loop that I made, like that. And then I can tighten up my loop, like that. And you're just going to continue to do that. Keep adding each new bead consecutively to the ones that have already been made. And then you'll have a string of beads that are very fluid and they're not stiff and they fall nicely. So after you have your necklace, the length that you would like it, or your bracelet or your ankle bracelet, you're going to add a fastener. So I'm just going to hold this open and I'm going to attach it to one end. I'll bring that down like that, and then I'm just going to tighten that up. And then to wear it, you just open up the fastener and attach it to the last loop on your necklace or bracelet or anklet. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make these fashion accessories, and you don't really need very many beads. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.